Ever replaced a cooker hood just to find the new one don't fit? Yeah, thanks to the manufacturer deciding to change dimensions. The old one's now redundant, and we've got a built-in cupboard that's doing way too much. But we're not scrapping the whole unit. I've got a fix, and I'm walking you through it step by step.
All right, so today we're gonna install the cooker hood. So this is for this space here. We've got one of the built-in types, the one that goes inside of the top drawer of your kitchen cabinets. So watch and see how we get this installed.
So here's the issue. The new model's slimmer, the fixing points are off, and if you just force it in, you're looking at visible gaps or a loose unit. No one wants that, especially in a fitted kitchen. Let's go through what you need to check before lifting a screwdriver.
Okay, so anytime you have your installation done, ensure you know the type of system you've got. If you're looking for an internal extractor system for the cooker hood, or you're looking for the built-in type, because it makes a difference with the installation and the setup. So make sure you know what you're doing and plan well for your job, as there are things that you need to take into consideration with the measurements and the dimensions of the actual cooker hood and the cupboard. Okay, so we have a socket. We have a plug that needs to plug into the socket for it to work. So my client has a spur that was feeding the actual unit that was there previously. So I just want to check it, make sure it works before I find out if they want me to install a plug or they want me to remove the plug and wire it into the spur. Okay, so that's to test if it works, and it does. So we're just going to confer with our client to make sure they're happy for us to proceed with the possibility of removing the plug. So let's find out. It looks like it's going to fit without anything.
Without anything? It cost me for that.
The piece of timber.
No, yes, it's okay.
I'll
use it for something else.
You could possibly bring it back if you don't need it. Anyway, let's see. So we're going to do a dry fit and just see how it fits inside of the cavity in terms of any adjustments. Oh, this come off. That's what it was. This come off. This plate comes off, and then I think we screwed it, and then we put this plate, clip it back on, something like that. There you go. There you go.
For this install, we built out the side panels slightly with spacers, reinforced the top fixing point, and rerouted the vent just enough to align with the new unit. No need to cut through the carcass or order custom cabinetry. Clean, quick and secure.
Nice!
I don't know if you can see, so they take a different sort of profile. Connected the spur to the power supply, and we're just going to close up and make sure that it actually works. So we're doing a functional test. It goes like this first, and then you push these two in. There you go. And there you go.
The finish: flush, clean, solid, and no major modification to the kitchen. Always check your dimensions and bracket positions before installation. If you're stuck, call a sparky or fitter. Don't bodge it with glue or tape.
So, the next time you need an extractor fan installed, just make sure you use the right method, the right installation, and the right company to install it. Thank you. I've got another happy customer.
Hit that subscribe if you're into real-world installs and actual trade fixes, not just marketing promises. In the next vid, I'll show you how to safely dismantle an old cooker hood without damaging your cupboard or cables. Trust me, there's a right way and a wrong way,